Are you having a hard time increasing your folder gluers output? Looking for ways to increase your production speed, produce more output, and bring in more business? If you're looking for ways to increase your folder gluers output and reach a higher production speed, you're probably on the market for a packing system. You know you need a packing system to help you serve more clients and bring in more business. But you're not sure what packer is right for your production, goals, and budget. This video will cover one of the most popular packing systems on the market, semi-automatic packers. What they are, their pros and cons, and when they make sense for your company versus when there are better options out there. Hi, Hani here from IMPACK. One of the most popular and top sold packing systems for the last 20 years in the packaging industry is the semi-automatic packer, given that it offers ultimate flexibility for box manufacturers to process any box they run through their folder gluer. Plus, it is much cheaper than most automatic and fully automatic packers out there. What is a semi-automatic packer? Semi-automatic packing is a packing process that includes at least one automated function. So, a semi-automatic packer is a packer that partially automates your case packing process, hence the name semi-automatic packer. This means that the operator of a semi-automatic packer or stacker remains the key factor of the case packing process, but with the help of at least one automated feature. For example, IMPACK's semi-automatic packer is the Ergoza. What are the pros and cons of a semi-automatic packer? Let's dive into the advantages and disadvantages of semi-automatic packers. First, quick and easy installation and setup. Semi-automatic packers like IMPACK's Ergoza have short setup times of 5 minutes. They offer a high level of versatility and modularity, thus allowing you to custom configure your machine and increase your level of automation. As semi-automatic packers' flexibility and quality control capabilities offer your personnel easy access to the machine to make adjustments, quality control checks, and corrections without ever interrupting your production. It offers you the capability of managing a complete row of boxes in one single motion, instead of by limited small batches as you would do with collecting tables. It also offers you automated case management. Another very interesting feature about semi-automatic packers like IMPACK's Ergoza is that it offers 3 main packing modes plus several additional optional modes. Yes, you heard me right. 3 modes in one machine. They also offer you substantial ergonomic gains and substantial productivity gains of 5% up to 100%. Let's move on to the disadvantages of semi-automatic packers. Well, they're of course generally more expensive than collecting tables. They require more training and it takes longer to learn. Setup time is longer when changing from one packing mode to the other. And of course, they are not the top packing speed. When you are dealing with semi-automatic packers, the trade-off is performance for versatility. That being said, you have the power of easy access, you have the power of adjustments, and you have the power of versatility. Next is that semi-automatic packers still require human supervision. If you operate in areas where there are labor shortages or rising labor wages, then this may not be the option that's worth the payback. Productivity can vary based on your product mix, type of production, box configuration, work methods, and the existing workflows around your machine. Is a semi-automatic packer right for your company? The answer to this question is different for each and every company. And I would be lying to you if I said otherwise. In some situations, a semi-automatic packer is the right choice, and in others, an automatic or a fully automatic packer is the better choice. But I won't leave you at just that. Here's the answer that you've been looking for in less than 60 seconds. A semi-automatic packer is right for your company if: number 1, you have variable production runs. Number 2, you have small to medium-sized boxes. Number 3, you have a wide and diverse variety of box formats or types. And number 4, you have complex boxes that require constant adjustments and quality control checks. The Ergoza Packer is IMPACK's semi-automatic packer. It also happens to be our top sold machine in the last 10 years and a very popular choice in the packaging industry. If you're still feeling unsure on how automated your packing system should be, I strongly recommend you to check out the resource below. It will walk you through, step by step, how to choose the right level of automation for your company. Next, if you're conflicted on whether you should go for a semi-automatic packer or a fully automatic packer, get a side-by-side comparison by clicking on the resource below. And finally, if you're interested in learning more about IMPACK's Ergoza Packer, learn here all about the Ergoza semi-automatic packer. So I hope this video helped you have a better understanding of semi-automatic packers. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.